It started with one innocent Hiccup, just a tiny orange kitten, minding his own business. Then the lion cub noticed. And suddenly, he caught it too. The elegant white kitten, down. The artistic one, gone. Even the magical striped kitten couldn't escape. And he literally has magic. 5 kittens, all hiccuping, in perfect sync. And then something amazing happened. They turned chaos into a dance party because that's what you do. You vibe with it. Tag someone who needs this energy today.